Finishing up the car, we're doing our finishers, the windows, and I noticed we missed the headliner down over here and right here. So it got me thinking, everyone's always asking, hey man, what's the trick to headliner? How do you clean headliner? Well, depending on how dirty the headliner is, really don't need much. This is water, distilled water that I'm using for the windows. Look at this. Sprayed on my towel. A little elbow grease. Water in the towel. And it's not that hard. Some of you guys are overthinking this stuff, and it's not that hard at all. The main thing is, don't oversaturate and don't apply too much pressure. Let us know how you guys clean headliners. Let us know what works for you. Drop it in the comments. Out with details. Catch us on the next one.